Warmly welcome to Anyways Tech. We'll be talking about, you can guess, Microsoft Designer. Okay, right. Today we're talking about Microsoft Designer. How do we use it and how do we populate it? Alright, so Microsoft Designer is similar to being Image Creator. It's also in preview version. I'm not really sure it's whether backed by GT or a bit or in DALI or any new technology, but I'm not really sure how this system is 100% works. But it looks very similar to being image creator, to be honest, and also it's also in previous image being image creator. Let's see, we see how it works. You can just see some basic images, and these are all AI generated images. So if you are simple questions like uh, draw me a poster about let's see what happens. So it's a bit faster, if you know, it's a bit faster and also it ordered very quickly. It's more faster than image creator. You can download this or customize your image more even more. So the image it unlike being image creator, you can actually customize all this stuff. Even change whatever is written over here. Okay, okay, change, right? Yeah, you can change here. And make it as high base maker. Alright, going back to the topic, you can put anything you want. So it's really interesting how it was. Like that, we can also inspire it. Or you can change your design completely. And then once you're done, you can just download it by clicking the download key. And shows you what key you want to download. Or you can also try something else if you want to. If you want to click download, then just click download button. And it will be downloading. As simple as that. So we also can use BandKit. So BandKit means you can just choose your style of editing. Okay, like let's say you can connect it here, and you can just change the style and change every single stuff over here. See, changes. It's kind of cool. So you can change whatever color you prefer. If you want to upload something, you can do it as well. Okay, you also can make a logo. Or you can take it from your own device. You can also control the background, level suite, or even blur background. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Anyway, take you, please like, subscribe, comment, share. Have a nice day. I noticed many of you didn't subscribe. Please subscribe, please consider subscribing, and also share my video, comment. Have a nice day. Also don't forget to write whatever your questions you have in the comments. Other than that, that's all the video for today. More videos will be coming up in the future, and please don't forget to subscribe to Anyway Tech View as we are looking for more subscribers. I personally want to thank all the 82 subscribers of this video for subscribing to my channel. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please consider subscribing to Anyway Tech View. Please consider subscribing to Anyway Tech View as I'm trying to focus on getting 1000 subscribers as soon as quickly as possible. And I will also release most better important contents for you guys for free of charge. And all of them are free, and even subscribing is free of charge. So please consider subscribing. The subscribe button is enough. Let's press the subscribe button. That's it. And that's all. That's for video. And if you have any suggestion, comment, write in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day.